Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a big, warm Garuda welcome for the new technical advisor for our national football team, Jordi Cruyff. All right, hi Jordi, how are you?
Very good, very excited.
Welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you.
So you arrived a couple of days ago on Sunday evening, I believe. So you've had a couple of days to ingest everything. What are some of your first impressions so far being in Indonesia?
Well, the first thing I think we all feel is the unbelievable football passion the country has. You
Already.
feel it on the street, you feel it everywhere. So I think passion, it's the most important thing when you want to reach a high objective. When you want to grow, passion is the first thing we need.
And you can already feel that in the first couple of days here, and I'm glad to hear it.
Absolutely. Also, the pressure will come, but that's part of the game.
Absolutely.
Passion, it's the most beautiful thing in the game.
Dan sepertinya dalam 2 hari baru Jordi nyampe di Indonesia, dia sudah merasa seberapa cinta negara kita terhadap sepak bola, dan ini hal yang sangat penting untuk sepak bola. Now, first off, congratulations on being appointed as the new technical advisor for the Indonesian Football Federation. So perhaps we can, for those that may not be familiar with this particular role, perhaps you can define what the role of a technical advisor entails and what will be your main duties as a technical advisor.
Well, I think it's important to differentiate roles, as you said. I think the day-to-day is obviously the head coach, Patrick Kluivert here, together with his staff. And that's the day-to-day thing, but there's also very important in football is the strategy. The short-term, middle-term, long-term strategy to grow, to get the maximum out of a very big population that you have here, and to try to really grow, to try to find those talents already at a very young age, because then you have a much better national team in the future. So I think it's about, football is not only about the pitch, it's also about making the right strategic decisions to try to take the maximum out of the future.
And basically the infrastructure as well around the entire football industry as a whole for our country, as well as I believe with your extensive network. How do you believe that this will help? Because obviously you've had networks over in Europe, you've had experience in Asia.
Yeah.
How do you feel this will actually help you in your role as a technical advisor for Indonesia?
Well, the fact that already from a very young age, having a father who was a football player means as a young kid, you have to keep moving from one country to another. And it gives you a sense of fast adaptation in a positive way. You learn to adapt very quick. You learn to analyze very quick. And I think already in my life, it's one of the things I love the most, to discover new places, new cultures, new ways of thinking, and to try to find a successful formula to get the maximum out of it. And that's one of the things that really attracts me. I remember the day that Patrick signed here, as old teammates, and in the world of football, everybody knows each other.
Everybody
So
knows
the
each
first
other.
thing I did was kind of analyze what it was, it was a special, a surprising move with a lot of attention. And then you start to analyze a little bit the potential, and then you see there's a lot of potential to grow. And I think that makes it super special.
Great. Sedikit rangkuman dulu ya, karena pertanyaan pertama saya berhubungan sama role Jordi sebagai penasihat teknis untuk PSSI, dan
See, there's a lot of potential to grow. And I think that makes it super special.
Great. Sedikit rangkuman dulu ya, karena pertanyaan pertama saya berhubungan sama role Jordi sebagai penasihat teknis untuk PSSI, dan sebenarnya kalau tugas apa yang terjadi di lapangan berhubungan sama pemain, ini adalah tugasnya Coach Patrick Kluivert. Tapi di luar itu juga banyak hal-hal lain yang harus ditangani, seperti development dari pemain sepak bola dari umur yang lebih muda. Dan Jordi sendiri, kenapa dia tertarik sama role ini adalah karena dia melihat Indonesia ini penuh dengan potensi. Tapi potensi ini membutuhkan strategi yang benar. Dan role-nya adalah, tugas dia adalah gimana caranya untuk membentuk sebuah strategi untuk short term maupun long term untuk bisa membuat development sepak bola di Indonesia lebih berkembang lagi, apalagi dari umur yang sangat muda. Dan saya juga menanyakan mengenai pengalaman dia, karena dia pengalamannya bukan hanya di satu negara tapi berbagai negara maupun di Asia atau di Eropa, dan dia juga merasa bahwa justru jaringan dia sebagai seseorang bukan hanya mantan pemain tapi mantan pelatih juga bisa membantu PSSI bisa ada network yang lebih luas lagi. Akan bukan hanya Bapak Erick Thohir yang harus jalan ke sana sini untuk bertemu pemain sama pelatih atau staff, tapi sekarang dia punya jaringan tersendiri yang bisa menjadi penasehat buat PSSI juga. I'd like to ask you a little bit in regards to what are your first things on the agenda for you that you plan on doing. Obviously there's a big match day coming up, but outside of that.
Well, I think it's quite logic, because if you want advice, the first thing you need to do is to analyze. You need to understand the culture, the sport mentality, how to reach objectives, also to show a lot of interest in the local league, to see what are the strong points, what are the points that can be maybe improved, to try to get the maximum out of the players, also for the future. And of course, we do all the decisions. It's a team, federation, of course, the national team coach, Kluivert, with myself. Probably we will look for a sport director or technical director who will be living here day to day. And all of us together in group, we will try to kind of design the right strategy to reach the points Indonesia wants to reach.
Oke, yang saya nanyakan adalah apa sih poin-poin yang utama yang akan di-address ya, terutama dari Jordi di awal, dan salah satu yang pertama yang dia akan lakukan adalah analisa. Dia ingin analisa semua level, dan saya juga sempat ngobrol sama Jordi kemarin, hal yang penting adalah dia ingin ngobrol sama bukan hanya pelatih, tapi pemain, tapi staff juga untuk bisa dapat gambaran yang lebih jelas. Ini infrastrukturnya seperti apa dan strategi ke depan yang harus dibentuk seperti apa juga. Dia juga ingin analisa liga lokal kami juga di Indonesia untuk bisa dapat gambaran pemain lokal kita seperti apa. Dan yang pasti tugas yang utama salah satunya adalah mencari technical director atau director teknis. Now let's actually segue to that since you brought it up. Technical director is a role that has been assigned for you to have input in findings. So you yourself have had obviously much experience in a technical director or director of sports. So your current plan to appoint